90% of what we're building now, we're working through within ARCHICAD. Whereas we used to use a lot of other tools within our process, ARCHICAD's now capable of doing those explorations, and we feel like we're facile with it and that it's fluid enough, and it doesn't create that barrier where we feel like we need to go to another tool to explore it. To me, it's really important that ARCHICAD has gotten better at being a really fluid modeling tool. We used to use SketchUp a lot more in early design, and we find less and less as people get more and more experience with that sort of trip out to another program to explore something formally and then come back in and figure out how to document it. There's fewer and fewer of those types of operations. The interface sort of disappears as much as possible, and when you want to do something, you're not hunting for it. You know how to do it. It does a great job of being able to vignette, pull a piece of the model out, note it up, and include that in alongside of sort of orthographic representations of a drawing. That's a really, really nice tool to be able to show the engineer. You can say, oh, I want to vary this beam and I want to express this and I want that to pull out, but then, just being able to show them a shot of the model and a couple notes and put that in next to that more traditional drawing is huge. The other part that's been great is we've been using GoToMeeting type applications to just video conference and talk through while we drive the model. So we'll be spinning the model and talking about different pieces and cutting sections, and whether it's with clients, remote clients, that's been super helpful. I've certainly had other firms ask what we use and seen our documentation sets and seen our models and talked to them about the pros and cons. And, I think ARCHICAD has a great balance, making it a very good tool for working the whole process.